Okay, good morning friends. We discuss about the topic of the physical chemistry, that is phase equilibrium. Now from the name there are two words, phase and equilibrium. Now I will give you some example of phase equilibrium type. Suppose this is the H2O, that is water is in equilibrium with liquid, is in equilibrium with vapor. Okay, that is, suppose this is H2O solid is in equilibrium with H2O liquid, is in equilibrium with H2O vapor. So this is the same, that is, this is water and this. Okay, so there are three phases, that is, this is solid phase which is in equilibrium with liquid phase, which is in equilibrium with vapor phase. Okay, so this is the phase, solid phase, liquid phase and vapor phase. These phases are in equilibrium with each other, so the name itself says that phase equilibrium. So there are different type of phases which are in equilibrium with each other. Suppose I will give you next example, that is supposed to be decomposition of calcium carbonate. It is solid, it decomposes to give calcium oxide, which is also solid, plus carbon dioxide, which is gas. Okay, so this solid calcium carbonate decomposes to give the solid calcium oxide and gaseous carbon dioxide. So there are three phases: this solid phase and gas phase. So this is the phases are in equilibrium. Suppose I will give you next example as ammonium chloride, NH4Cl, which is solid. When it decomposes to give ammonia gas plus HCl gas. Okay, so ammonium chloride solid which decomposes to give the ammonia gas and HCl gas. So there are again two phases. This is solid phase and this is gaseous phase. So these are different types of equilibrium in phases. That is an example of different types of phases which are in equilibrium with each other. Now, what is the actual definition of the phase? What is the actual definition of the phase? Phase is any homogeneous. Suppose you take this example of, suppose this ice is in equilibrium with liquid, is in equilibrium with vapor. Or suppose this ice is in equilibrium with water, is in equilibrium with vapor. Okay, so this ice is one phase, water is another phase, vapor is another phase. So there are three phases which are in equilibrium with each other. But if you want to define the definition of the phase? So this is the ice. Now if you see the ice, if you see the water, if you see the vapor. Now if you see the ice itself is the homogeneous phase. If you see the water is itself is the homogeneous phase. If you see the vapor itself is the homogeneous phase. So, and ice is physically distinct, means you can easily distinguish between ice and water. You can easily distinguish between water and vapor. So that is physically distinct. Ice is itself homogeneous and they are physically distinct, means you can identify, you can separate the phase, and they are mechanically separable. So you can separate ice from water, you can separate water from vapor. So these three words should come in the definition of the phase. It should be homogeneous, it should be physically distinct, that is you can identify it, and it is the mechanically separable portions. So what is the definition of the phase? Phase is any homogeneous, phase is any homogeneous physically distinct mechanically separable portion having portion of system having some distinct boundary. So these three words should become in the definition of the phase. It should be phase is any homogeneous. These words should become physically distinct and mechanically separable portions of the system having the distinct boundary. Means between ice and water there is boundary, between water and vapor there is boundary. So that is the definition of the phase. Phase is any homogeneous, physically distinct, mechanically separable portions of the system which have some distinct boundary. So this is the definition of the phase. Now what is the another point about the phase? So what is another point? That is, first point is the phase is denoted by P. Phase is denoted by P. Now, what is the first point? First point is all gas mix to form single phase. All gases mix to form single phase. If you take one gases, if you take two gases, three gases mix into each other, they form only one phase. This is the example of the air. In the air, there are many gases: hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogens. So these gases are mixed to form the homogeneous. That is single phase. Air is the single phase. There is no any. You see any. So air is the single phase. For example, is the air. Air is mixture of all gases. So first, all gases mix to form the single phase. Second is immiscible liquid forms more than one phase. Immiscible liquid. Miscible liquid. Miscible liquid. Miscible liquid forms single phase. Miscible liquids, that is alcohol plus water. If you mix alcohol into the water, there is no any separations. You cannot distinguish alcohol from the water. If you add mix into each other, there is single phase. So if you add, there is formation of single phase. So miscible liquids forms single phase. Immiscible liquid forms more than one phase. What is immiscible liquid? Forms more than one phase. More than one phase. Immiscible liquid forms more than one phase. That is, suppose benzene, oil plus water. Oil plus water. There are two phases. Oil plus water. There are two phases. So immiscible liquid, benzene plus water. If you add benzene into water, there are two phases. Upper layer, lower layer. So there is a picture is like this. So if you add oil and water, this is the first layer, this is the second layer, this is the oil and this is water. So two phases are. So immiscible liquid forms more than one phase, that is two phases. Okay, what is the third? Okay, salt, if you add salt and water forms single phase. Salt plus water forms single phase. What is the example? If you add NaCl in the water, stir it, single phase. So NaCl plus water. That is salt plus water. Salt is NaCl is salt, water. So if you add NaCl into water, if you stir it, they form single phase. Okay. What is fourth? Each solid forms separate phase. Each solid forms separate phase. Each solid forms separate phase. Means each solid constitutes separate phase. Suppose there are two solids, then there are two phases. If there are three solids, there are three phases. So each solid forms separate phase. The example is calcium carbonate, CaCO2. Okay, it is solid, which is in equilibrium with calcium oxide, which is solid, plus H2O. This liquid. Okay. So how many phases in this case? Each solid constitutes separate phase means. So this is the one phase. This is second phase, means this is solid, one phase, this is second solid, second phase, and this is third phase. So there are P is equal to 3. So there are 3 phases. There are 3 phases. Suppose I take the example of NH4Cl, it decomposes NH4Cl, it gives NH3 plus HCl. Okay, so NH4Cl is a solid, NH3 is the gas, HCl is also gas. So how many phases are there? So solid means this is the one phase, solid is the one phase, and this is the gas and gas. Now all gas mixed to form single phase. So gas plus gas single phase, because all gas is mixed to form single phase. So this is second phase. So here P is equal to 2. P is equal to 2. So these are all definitions of the phase and all description of the phase. Sometimes the question in the examination asks that describe the term phase. So you should write this phase. Okay, thank you.